Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time a boy named Jack lived with his mother. Jack's father was eaten by a big man who came from above the clouds when he was a little boy. From that time on, Jack squeezed the cow's milk, which was the only cow in his house, and went to the town to sell it, and saved his life with the money. But the cow, too, grew old, and at last stopped serving milk. "I can't help it, let's sell this cow and exchange it for money, Jack. Go to town to sell the cattle." Yes. At his mother's request, Jack led the cow to town, and on the way an uncle approached Jack. "Baby, why don't you trade the cow for this bean? It's a magic bean that brings good luck." Magic beans. Awesome. Yes, you can change them. When Jack received the beans, he was happy to return home. When his mother heard the story, she scolded Jack. "Oh, my God, it's crazy of you to come and exchange these beans for cattle. But it's a magic bean that brings good luck. It's supposed to be a lie that it's magic. Here's what it is." She picked up the beans and threw them out of the window. The next morning Jack awoke to find that the beans his mother had thrown away had become a big tree. "That's great, I can't see the sky because it's too high. It was a magic bean, after all. Okay, let's go up there." Jack climbed up the beanstalk at once. Beyond the clouds, the bean tree still continues. And at last Jack reached the top. There was a big castle there. When Jack visited the castle, the landlady came out of it and said, "Well, honey, how on earth did you get here? This is the house of a terrible cannibal. Go home soon." Then I heard the footsteps of a big man. "I can't help it. Come here." The landlady hid Jack in the kitchen stove. Then a big man came back. It was a very big man, with 3 oxen hanging in one hand. "What? It smells like a human being. It smells like a human child, too." "Oh, that's not the case. Didn't the human child just eat the day before yesterday?" "Well, I see." When the giant was satisfied with her words, he went to the next room. Then the giant took out 2 bags of gold coins and began to count the gold coins inside, until he fell asleep tired. "It's a great gold coin that would make my mother happy." When Jack got out of the oven, he hurried home with one of the big man's bags of gold. When Jack took it home and saw the gold coin, his mother was overjoyed. A little while later, Jack climbed up the bean tree again and came to the giant's house. Jack was hiding in the oven when the giant said to the landlady, "Bring me the hen that lays the golden egg." When the landlady brought him, the giant laid a golden egg on the table. "It's real gold that shines brightly." When he saw it, he fell asleep again. "Well, I'll have that hen, too." Jack picked up the hen and went straight home. Jack quickly became rich thanks to the golden egg-laying hen. But Jack was not satisfied yet. "I thought there were other treasures, so I came to the big man's house again." Jack was hiding in the oven when the giant brought him a golden harp. The harp plays music on its own when the giant commands it. The giant fell asleep again, listening to the sound of the harp. "Well, now it's that harp." Jack grabbed the harp and ran away as fast as he could. That's when it happened. Sir, it's a drawbow. To my surprise, the harp spoke loudly. Why, little boy, you're right, the one who stole the gold coin and the Mindori, and now he's going to steal the precious harp. I'll eat you. The giant came after Jack with a roar of the earth. Jack hurried down the bean tree and told his mother, Mom, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up and bring me Ono. When Jack received the Ono from his mother, he shook the Ono down the bean tree. Then, perhaps the magic of the bean tree had melted. The bean tree returned to its original grain. Ah, oh no! The giant, who was still in the middle of the bean tree, fell from the high sky and disappeared somewhere. Then Jack got a lovely wife and lived happily ever after with his mother. The end.